Whales are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, and their evolutionary journey from land-based mammals to fully aquatic creatures is equally intriguing. Over millions of years, whales developed a range of adaptations that enabled them to thrive in their aquatic environment. Whales are believed to have evolved from a group of land-based mammals known as artiodactyls, which include hippos, deer, and camels. The earliest whales, such as Pakicetus, lived about 50 million years ago, during the Eocene epoch. These creatures were small and lived in and around freshwater rivers, and their teeth were adapted for catching fish and small prey. As whales evolved, they developed adaptations that allowed them to live in the water. One of the most significant changes was the evolution of the blowhole, which allowed them to breathe while remaining submerged. This adaptation allowed them to dive deeper and stay underwater for longer periods. Whales also evolved a streamlined body shape, which made them more hydrodynamic and better suited to swimming. They lost their hind legs and their front legs evolved into flippers, making them more efficient swimmers. These anatomical adaptations made whales well suited for a life in the water. Whales also have a range of physiological adaptations that enable them to survive and thrive in the ocean. They can store large amounts of oxygen in their blood and muscles, allowing them to stay underwater for extended periods without needing to breathe. Whales also have a unique diving reflex, which slows their heart rate and redirects blood flow to essential organs during deep dives. Behavioral adaptations also play a crucial role in whale survival. Whales have complex vocalizations that they use for communication, navigation, mating, and socializing. Different whale species have their own unique songs and calls. Whales also have a range of social behaviors that enable them to form strong bonds with other members of their pod, including huddling together for warmth, sharing food, and protecting one another from predators. In conclusion, the evolution of whales from land-based mammals to fully aquatic creatures is a remarkable story of adaptation and survival. Over millions of years, whales developed a range of anatomical, physiological, and behavioral adaptations that allowed them to thrive in the ocean. These adaptations continue to make whales some of the most intriguing and impressive creatures on the planet.